fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today with another in my Stay or Go video series. I think this is number 9, I think. So I have what you can see is a Diamond Art Club here. I've actually been rearranging and repacking some of my kits in preparation for our eventual move, and I decided I needed to go back and kind of look at what I was going to be doing and what I wasn't over the next few months, just in case we sell the house and everything is good to go. And as I was going through some of the kits and rearranging, because I've done several kits since I did the original packing, that kind of thing, I thought, I've got some that I'm not sure if I want to keep them. So this is another one you guys are going to help me decide if it's going to stay or if it's going to go. I'm going to get everything out of the box and we'll look at it. Be right back. This is an older kit, as you can see by the tool kit. We've got our stickers, our instructions, and of course our drills. You can see this is a square kit. I'm going to set all this off to the side and let's look and see what came in our tool kit. So as you can see, like I said, this is an older tool kit. Not as old as my 2020 kits, but older. So we've got our little glitter tray here with the stopper that it comes with. We've got a bag of baggies. We've got a scrunchie. We've got plates of heart wax. We've got our diamond painting pen, and we've got 2 multi-placers, a 7 and a 4 placer. So we've got both of those. We've got some very sharp diamond painting tweezers branded with their Diamond Art Club logo. We have a very pretty blue kind of sequined cover minder, heart-shaped, and then we've got some pretty floral washi tape. So one of the newer kits in that it contains the cover minder and the washi tape. Not so new because they've done away with those and they've done away with these regular kind of diamond painting pens and gone to their other kind of pens. But that's what's in the toolkit. And then we've got our instructions, which I don't need, and we've got our stickers. So what kit am I unsure about? This one is called Phoenix by Raven Phelan. And I actually have another kit by this particular artist, but I bought this kit because I really like mythical animals, unicorns, dragons, phoenixes, all that kind of stuff. And when I first saw this one, I thought, oh, wow, how cool. It is kind of big. It is 56 by 79, which is kind of large. It is a square. We've got 43 colors. This was before Diamond Art Club had fairy dust drills, but it does look like we've got 4 ABs that are going to be included, so that's nice. And I can tell just from looking at some of these DMC codes that I have ABs or other drills I could substitute for those particular codes. So the reason that I'm unsure of this one is because it is very monochromatic. As you can see, most of the bird is in various shades of yellow, the tail, the wings, the kind of plumage here. The talons and the heart and the butterflies have some color. There's a little eye up here for like a third eye. But the rest of it is all just varying shades of yellow. And what's not yellow out here on the edges looks like it's going to be a lot of dark colors, dark blues, dark blacks, dark purples. Yeah, I just, in looking at this, am not sure if that's something I want to do, especially because it's as large as it is. That's where I'm at. It's only got 43 colors, which isn't a huge amount of colors. But again, I'm very concerned that it's going to be just a bunch of yellow. And I don't know how I feel about that. So let me grab the canvas and we'll take a look at the canvas and see what I think then. This is a huge kit, like I said. It is, what did I say, 56 by 79. So I'll measure it in a minute. But you can see just all of this is yellow. This is yellow. All of this is yellow. You do have some reds out here. And I suppose that would be nice for multi-placing, like this whole big section is all multi-placing, and then you've got the confetti of the head of the phoenix with all of the little kind of flames coming off as a like comb or a mane off of it. You've got the little eyeball here. This is all outlined in the ABs. There's white ABs here and then like a light yellow here, and of course some white in the eyeball itself. white sprinkled all through the background. And if you look at the middle of it, and this is such a huge canvas, I will do as usual and take some B-roll and throw it up on the screen so you guys can kind of see the whole thing in one scan. But you do have some confetti here, like the phoenix's head. You do have this heart with the little talons clutching it, the beak here, kind of the body of the phoenix is more red than yellow, but more yellow for the wings. We do have the butterflies down here, which adds some colors. Looks like there's some oranges, some blues, some pinks, that sort of thing. Some more of the white and yellow ABs in here, kind of reds and pinks and purples off to the side. And then at the very bottom here, we've got kind of the tail of the phoenix. So again, more yellow. And then we've got kind of the pinks, purples, and blues. Although there is no 310. So that's good. So there's no black. These are all just dark blues, dark purples, dark reds. So I guess that's something. Lots of ABs kind of in the little halo around the phoenix. And I'm trying to figure out, there's a pink AB. Looks like there's some right here in the middle. Oh, some of it sprinkled in the stars down here too. So it doesn't look like there's going to be a ton of those pink ABs. I think it's a really cool design. I just am not sure how much time I want to invest in doing all of this yellow. That seems kind of crazy. Okay, so it says 56 by 79. Let's measure and see what it is. So I'm getting 55, just a skosh under 55, but is it 22 inches? No, it's only 21.5 inches, and they say 22. All right, let's measure the other way and see. So this way they said 79, I'm getting 77.5. Even if I pull it pretty taut, it's still short of 78, and they say 79, but they said 31 inches, so is it 31 inches? It's 30.5 inches. So a little bit off, but not terrible for what it is. Now, it's a Diamond Art Club, so I don't have any concerns about the quality of the canvas, the quality of the glue that's on it. I've got pre-cut sticker sheets. I know the drill should be good quality. It's a lot of yellow. And it's not even like I dislike yellow. It's just there's so much of it. And I don't think when I bought it that I realized, I mean, it's a phoenix. Of course, it's going to be fiery and flamey, but I thought there would be more of a mix of reds and oranges and yellows rather than just such predominant and big sections of yellow. All right, let me grab the drills. We'll open those and we'll look at those. I've gotten to where I try to unfold these so that it makes sense and I can get them back in the package when I'm done looking at all of these. So we've got a little small sleeve here. We've got 2 bags of a kind of pumpkin-y orange. There's our red AB, and that's the one that's going to be kind of the halo around the whole phoenix. So there's quite a bit of those. And then we have like a sagey green. Next we have some kind of sky blue, some green, some blue. There's our pink AB that I said there would be very little of. It's in like that little heart in the middle, and that's it. We've got a purple, a light green, another kind of purpley blue, a light sage, kind of a rose pink, a slate blue, kind of a turquoise green, a purple, a salmon, like a watermelon color. We've got like a sea green, dark green, a mulberry, a very dark blue, a dark brown, a blue, and a light yellow. Then we've got a dark purple, kind of very dark greenish turquoise. We've got a dark mulberry. There's our white AB. That's actually less than I thought there would be. We've got 2 different shades of purple. This one is slightly lighter than this one. We've got a kind of dark red, a dark mauve, 2 package of this kind of dark royal blue, 2 packages of this like brick red, this slightly kind of duller dark red, 2 packages of Christmas red, and then we've got 4 packages of this kind of bright yellow, and then 1 package of our yellow ABs. And then for our last sleeve here, we've got just a few of these kind of pale blue. We've got 2 bags of this very dark brick red. We've got 3 bags of this dark purple, 5 bags of this orange, 5 bags of this slightly lighter orange. So the first one was 740, this is 741, and we already had like what, 3 or 4 bags of the 742. So yeah, lots of yellow. Although I guess technically this is more orange than yellow. Does that make me feel slightly better? Which color is the one that goes right here? That is 742, which is, I guess, no, that is a yellow. So this is more yellow and everything else around it will be a little bit more orange, I guess. And then, of course, 3 bags of yellow, true yellow. Okay, I think I got those mostly back in the bag the way they were. Final thoughts. My biggest hang-up, unusually, is not the size. It is quite large. 56 by 79 is not small, but it is a Diamond Art Club, and I know it would work up nicely. Again, I think of everything, my hesitation is the yellow. Although after looking at the drills, it is more red and orange and yellow mix rather than just the kind of all yellow it seems like on the canvas. And I do like that it has 4 ABs, and I can certainly see lots of places that I could add in ABs or fairy dust drills and do something fun with it. So now I'm undecided. I mean, when I first looked at it, looking at the image and then looking at the canvas, like I said, my biggest negative for this for me would be, well, I guess there's 2, would be what I thought was going to be basically all yellows, and that I've got such big sections of multi-placing. Although I've done other kits that have big like color blocking sections like that, so it shouldn't be a deal breaker. Is this one of the things where I've just kind of outgrown this image? Like I really liked it when I bought it, and now just retrospectively a couple of years later, it just isn't something I want to spend time on. I've got other ones that I want to do more. I mean, I do have other ones that I want to do more. I knew that before I opened it. And I think this one and the other one, I have another one by the same artist. It's also very monochromatic, but it's in greens rather than yellows. So yeah, I don't know what to do with this one. I really am torn about this one because it's nice and it's big. It's already in my stash. And it's probably old enough I couldn't get it anymore if I wanted to. But on the other hand, it's a lot of yellow. I don't know. I think maybe it just seems like it doesn't have enough variation in colors, and that's what's getting me. Because looking at the canvas again, everything looks yellow with some reds and oranges thrown in, but not very much. But if I go by what the drills are, there are way more oranges and reds in the drills than it looks like there would be on the canvas. And even then, there looks like it would be looking at the image, because quite a bit of the image is basically shades of yellow, which makes me wonder what it would look like finished with all the different shades of oranges and reds. So yeah, I really am torn about this one. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know whether you think this one should stay or go. In the comment, mention what you think it is. Is it my lack of enthusiasm? Is it the size? Is it the colors? Is it a change in attitude towards the image since I bought it? I mean, I still think it's kind of a cool image. I just don't know if it's a cool image I want to diamond paint. But I've also done lots of diamond paintings that I started out thinking, I don't know if I'm going to enjoy this one very much, and I end up loving it. So yeah, I'm really torn about this one. So let me know what you guys think. That's it for me today, guys. Thanks so much for sticking around till the end of the video. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.